How do I enter the phone number when calling a landline from my cell phone in the Philippines?
Hello and welcome to our video tutorial. Today, we will learn how to dial a landline number from a mobile phone while you are in the Philippines. With just a few simple steps, you'll be able to connect with anyone on their landline, whether it's for personal or professional communication. Let's dive right in.
Understanding the Philippines phone number system.
First and foremost, let's understand the phone number system in the Philippines. The Philippines use a combination of area codes and local numbers. Typically, a landline number includes the area code and the 7-digit local number. For example, in Manila, which has an area code of 2, a local landline number might look like 2-123-4567.
Preparing to dial.
When you're dialing a landline number from a mobile phone in the Philippines, you need to add a prefix to the landline number. This prefix is 0, which is the National Direct Dial (NDD) code. So, the landline number we used as an example earlier now becomes 02-123-4567 when dialing from a mobile phone within the Philippines.
Dialing the landline number.
Now that you have the prefixed landline number, you can dial it from your mobile phone. Make sure you have a clear signal, then dial the number as you would any other. For our example, you dial 02-123-4567. If everything has been done correctly, you'll be connected to the landline you're trying to reach. Thank you for watching our video tutorial on how to dial a landline from a mobile phone in the Philippines. Now that you've got these steps down, you'll be able to get in touch with any landline in the country right from your mobile device. We hope this has been helpful, and as always, happy dialing!